Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will talk about to connect people in LinkedIn. Guys, it is same as Facebook. You send friend request to someone, and here in LinkedIn you send connection, or you connect someone by using connect feature in LinkedIn. But there was a difference between Facebook or LinkedIn, which is you should select those people who are helpful for you. You should add valuable people here in your LinkedIn file, and this will be very beneficial for your LinkedIn account, and you will get more opportunities for your dream jobs or for your future. So guys, how will you connect people in LinkedIn? You have to go my network, and here you will see there are so many people. You will simply connect them by clicking connect button. So guys, as you can see, there are some people, and but be careful, go to anybody's profile. Like if I select this one, see her profile and activities. Over here, go to posts, and if there is any post or activity beneficial for you, then you can follow her, and you can connect her by connecting button. So I saw the profile of this person, and now I'm going to connect it. When she will see connection request, and she will see my profile, and if she get something interesting in my profile, then she will accept it, and we will be able to send message each other, because without connection you cannot send message anybody in LinkedIn. So quantity of your followers and connections are very valuable and very important here in LinkedIn. Choose people who are related to your profession, and you can take advantages by connecting them. So guys, this is how to connect people in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.